Okay, so once again, good day and welcome to Holy Face of Jesus Lesson of San Jose Incorporated. So this will be our module intended for first quarter only. No, so empowerment technologies. So this cover lesson 1 to 5. So with the content are, of course, the lesson 1, Introduction to Information and Communication Technologies, Rules of Netiquette, Advanced Word Processing Skills, Advanced Spreadsheet Skills, and Advanced Presentation Skills. So as you can see here, no, we are giving you an advanced lectures and hands-on activity in the MS Office, because we are expecting that you are already familiarized with different MS Office applications, now specifically when it comes to its basic applications. So during your junior high school program. So again, in this module, no, as what we have here, we have a discussions, no, an introduction of a topic, and at the same time, we written here the learning objectives per topics. Okay, so in STEM, no, as I mentioned, it's too different from the regular strand. No, so in STEM, try to write down. No, this will be your first requirement. So you need to submit the in lesson 1. You need to submit your pretest. No? Either soft copy, or you just simply write in your coupon band and or either yellow paper, then take picture and send it to the official email, no, the holyfaceofjesus.edu.ph@gmail.com. Okay, so then this will be the lesson motivation. So this time, no, you need also to do this one, no, the lesson motivations. So form at least 5 members each, or 3 to 5 will do, no, 3 to 5. So the lesson motivation must be also performed. So after the following, answer the following honestly. Take note of it. How many times have you checked your phone this morning? So assuming that you will be able to answer this one this time, no? So how many status updates have you posted in Facebook or Twitter today? Did you see the internet of an hour and so on and so forth? You just simply answer. So then if you happen to be guilty as charged in most of these questions, chances are you are digital native. And chances are from the moment you were born, you were surrounded by technology and you are surrounded by ICT. Okay, so it means to say that you need to tally, no, your answers, no, since you have 3 to 5 members in a group, so you just simply tally, no, the results of these 4 questions. So you'll be able to do that even through Facebook chat, chat messenger, no need for you naman to have a Zoom or a Google Meet to discuss. It's just simply create a simple chat group, no, message in Facebook, then try to send it to your to the group, then everybody posted your answers, no, based on the given 4 questions. Then somebody who assigned to tally, no, the result of these activities. Okay, then of course discussion. Then this time, conduct a short interview of the business owner using the following guideline. So again, you need to do this one. You need to conduct a short interview. Any type of business will do. Even as a small business enterprise and immediate, no, or a medium, large scales, no problem, no, it's up to you. So take note of it, ha. You have to conduct a short interview. This will be activity number 3 for your lesson 1. Okay, so actually I will already provided you a questions, no. You just simply send this question to the owner of a company. Okay. Then as what we have here, right after that, exploration 1.1. Okay, so this will be another requirements. Exploration 1.1, static versus dynamic. So you just do research in your Google, or in any web browser. It is acceptable naman actually. But for you to have to gather in appropriate details or informations, better for you to look into the Google Scholar, and any other website providing a discussion related static versus dynamic. Of course, if you say static, it's just only viewing. The website is just only for viewing, reading and viewing only. When you say dynamic, you could able to respond, or you are allowed to encode or to interact with the website like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, and so on. That is an example of a dynamic website. Or let's say, for example, at present, some big colleges and universities offer online enrollment, using their website. That is also dynamic. But if the school or university website is just only viewing information, it's just an example of a static website. Okay. Then again, discussion. Okay, discussion again. Then this time you have exploration 1.2. Okay, so identify a problem of your community. So what will be the advantage for having this exploration 1.2? We give you an example of what possible output do you have in this exploration 1.2 activity. So this will be an example. Okay. So a while ago you have pre-test, motivation, conduct an interview for a small or medium enterprise or company or store, then exploration 1.1 and exploration 1.2. So it means to say that you have, right after you have post-test. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 requirements for lesson number 1. Plus, comments on videos posted. Comment on videos related to this topic posted in our chat groups and even in our Holy Face of Jesus Facebook group. Okay, so it means to say that your requirements for lesson 1, pre-test, motivation, conduct an interview, exploration 1, exploration 2, post-test, and your comments for the video posted in our chat group and even in our chat messenger. Okay, or FB group rather. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, maybe somebody are asking, Doc, why do we have a lot of activities that need to accomplish in lesson 1? It happens that it is subdivided in different aspects. So for example, the motivation, the pre-test must be recorded as your assignment. The pre-test, motivation, conduct an interview as your assignment. Exploration 1 and 2, consider as your quiz. And of course, the post-test. Okay. And for example, the comment is as part of your recitation. Okay. So in lesson 1, your assignment is pre-test, motivation, conduct interview. Your quiz is exploration 1.1, 1.2, and post-test. And your recitation is the comments. Okay, that is for lesson 1 alone. Okay. Then for lesson 2, rules of netiquette. It's very important for us to know the rules that we need to do during our online the online security, safety and ethics, the internet threats must be also addressed, especially at present, no, majority of even at the age of 7, no, or at the age of 8, they are now using an internet or even the social media. The copyright issues, no, because as one of your requirements, you need to research on different topics. So see to it that you are also included the references, no, in all your answers. But do not just simply copy and paste. You just simply read, then write your answer based on your understanding. Okay? Then contextualize online search and research skills. Then lesson 2, you have pretest. Pretest. Then lesson motivation. You need also to perform this one, huh? Then the discussion. Then you have exploration 2.1. So it means to say that on lesson 2, you just only 2 assignments, the pretest and the motivation as part of your assignment grade. Then for your quizzes, you have exploration 2.1. Then exploration 2.2. Then after that, post-test. And again, comments on video posted in our group. Okay, for lesson 2, as your assignment, you have pretest and motivation. As your quizzes, you have exploration 1.1, 2.2, and post-test. And as your recitation, you need to comment on video posted in our FB chat group. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 requirements for lesson 2. For lesson 3, you have a pretest, of course. As part of your assignment grades. Then lesson motivation. Then exploration 3.1. Then after that, so as you can see here, no, we have different types of pictures, no? JPG, GIF, PNG. Then exploration 3.2. So in this part, no need for you to download these files. So what you're going to do is to create your own file or document file. The content will be who am I? No, for 3.2. The content will be who am I? Then you just insert your pictures, no, and other important details all about yourself. Okay, so there are some required applications of commands in Microsoft Word document. no, wrap text, no, behind text, and so on. Then exploration 3.3, that is mail merge. Then exploration 3.4. Actually, no, you may combine, you are allowed to combine your activity 3.1 and 3.3. 3.1 and 3.3. And you may combine 3.2 and 3.4. No? So you are allowed to have 4 files, or you just only have 2 files, provided that you merge, or you just merge the 3.1 and 3.3 and 3.2 and 3.4 activities. Okay? Then after that, lesson number 4. So in lesson number 3, you have pre-test, lesson motivation as your assignment grades. Exploration 3.1 and 3.3 and 3.2, 3.4. Again, as I mentioned, you are allowed to combine, but you are also allowed to do it individually. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4. For lesson number 4, this time that is Microsoft Excel. So you need to do again the lesson motivation. Okay, then after that, you need to perform actually all those tasks, because in your exploration activity, you need to apply all those things, no, count if, no, the average, the sum, the auto sum, no, and so on, the average if. So in exploration 4.1, no, you need to do determine the number of people who are willing to pay a certain amount. So this question is getting from the data inputted on the upper part. Okay. Then after that, you have a sorry, that is post test, not pre-test. Okay, you just simply replace this one as post test. But again, as I mentioned earlier, you have an extra requirements, no, as STEM students. You are required to create a document using Microsoft Word with table, mail merge. In Microsoft Excel, you are required to have a computation of grades, payroll, and other applications. Okay, I will give you actually the video on how you'll be able to do your own. Then after that, lesson number 5. Lesson number 5, it is a PowerPoint presentation or presentation skills. So you have a motivation here, what is also required to accomplish. Then you have also a exploration 5.1. So this time, no, what you're going to do is just to create a PowerPoint presentation wherein the content will be your personal profile, assuming that you are applying for a job. Okay? So if you are applying for a job, it is necessary for you to indicate in a presentation the complete, no, informations regarding, of course, to you, no? Then make sure that you could able to make a good presentation. Okay? Maybe you could able naman to get an idea to the biodata, na? The available biodata. Okay, then lesson summary, and that's it. Okay?